Is it safe? You decide whether it's safe to emerge onto the roundabout. Is it safe? Is it safe?
Maybe.
Is it safe? Explanation. As we arrive at the roundabout, there is a car coming round it and a van joining it with no signal on, meaning we must give way to them. On the second decision, a car is arriving with no signal on, meaning it will likely be coming our way. Although it is slowing as it approaches, it would be safer to wait a while longer before making a decision as to whether to emerge or not. After waiting, it appears the car has stopped. If we emerge efficiently, even if this car emerges at the same time, we should be well out of its way by the time it reaches our current position. Making sure we increase our speed efficiently is always desirable. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.